What's the meaning of SEP? SEP. SEP.
SEP. SEP. CEP can refer to different things depending on the context. In biology, it stands for cisplatin, adiposide, and prednisone, which is a chemotherapy regimen used to treat certain types of cancer. In Brazil, CEP stands for Código de Endereçamento Postal, which translates to Postal Address Code in English, used as part of their postal system. In finance, it could refer to Certified Equity Professional, a certification program for professionals who work with equity compensation. The meaning of CEP therefore depends on the specific context it is being used in.